Hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
Listen, this project has to work. Like, I don't care. I put in all efforts throughout yesterday. I couldn't sleep because I was trying to, get one or two things ready. Hold on, please. Babe! Babe, please, my shoes!
I'm coming!
Yeah, hello. So, I should be in the airport in like, let's say, 20 minutes.
Baby, I'm
yes.
so sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yes.
No.
Okay.
I'll be there, yeah, it's fine.
Gotcha.
Yeah, is our boss there? He's there. I'm coming.
Wait.
Yeah, I'll be there. Okay, now bye. Babe, what took you so long
I'm
now?
so sorry. I was looking for the shoes to even choose.
Yeah? I told you the red. This.
Oh, do you know how many red shoes are there?
Really?
Ought to be 600.
Really?
But you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you,
Your
babe.
skin. Spending all my money.
Babe, please, can you take me to the airport?
Eh?
The airport now.
No, I would have loved to, I would have loved to, but I have so much paperwork to do, so much. So I have to even fax some of these things, and that it takes a lot of time.
Baby, you don't love me again.
No, baby, what do you mean? No, baby, listen, hold on, listen. I promise you, I'll call you all day, I'll text you all day. My phone call, my video call. Eh? You love that?
I like that.
Mwah. I love you so much.
Thank you, baby.
Eh? Mwah. Mwah.
It's okay. Please, I'm hurrying.
Yeah?
Please, my bags.
But these your bags. You know the way you pack. Let me just call Shaggy. The way you pack your things is just a lot. Shaggy!
Please hurry.
I'm coming. Shaggy! Shaggy!
He has not cleaned my makeup with all these specs. Okay.
Yay! Man get it right, he like that. If you vibe, you know, I'm that. What? Anytime we feel that, no they look for, we know they ask. They look for, we know they ask. One life, we know they ask. Oh, we know they ask. I'm a very I see what you. I'm a fucking ball like you can't do it. Somebody be touching me. You go collect. Yay!
Shaggy, why are people making noise?
What happened is that I'm celebrating my birthday that's coming. Oh yeah, so we are preparing.
Your birthday? Is your birthday not in December?
Yeah, December 15th.
And we're in January.
Now to plan is good to plan ahead for future.
Hello, dance. Oh, dance. Leave, go and carry madam's bag. No. Where are you going to? Who be this? Who are you?
My name now was. What's you done?
You are not normal. What are you doing here?
Oh, got me birthday they come. So we they do preparation for a big day.
Sorry, I tell you what, guy, oriented daru. Leave my compound. Just get out. Leave, Joe.
I'm your lamb.
What? Show Shiri. What's all this rubbish?
Sorry, sir. No vessel. In case you dey find chef. Sabi cook o.
Money ma cook. O ba kagba ko. Ko shi kuro mi báyìí.
Àbí àgbà cook ẹ̀gbọ́n mi.
Yeah.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
You dey travel?
Yes, I am for a short business trip.
Okay. You be like say you know they go far. Maybe na Enugu they go because you no carry that your big box. So they always help you carry.
I'm going to Abuja.
Abuja?
Yes.
Abuja?
Yeah.
Madam, if you don't tell me now, see, I get one of my friends where they drive interstate. If he carry you go, and the boss get AC, go just pass a pen.
No, don't worry. I'll use the aircraft. My bad.
Aircraft? Say which craft?
Aeroplane.
Okay, aeroplane. Madam, I don't want to waste of money, but I go see where we help you carry am. I don't say nothing where I talk from today till tomorrow. We go change your wife.
I'm late.
Yeah,
please.
You know wait. Madam, no worry. I will open the door for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, no problem. I've already put inside the boot.
Thank you so much. How about your mom?
She's getting better, you know, but her condition is still good. What doctors say her esophagus have catch a coronavirus. What? So they are working. They say they will do operation. So they will carry her to India. Now the money with the hospital like this. In fact, that money that you give me last week, I come out some to pay for hospital bill.
Yeah, so sorry. Please, I would like to hear from her when next year with her, okay? So, yeah, have my number. Yes.
She go there happy. Thank you, ma. Yeah. So you say that's small for we dey use. Thank you. As I tell her, say you give me money last week, she happy die.
Okay, so this is my number. Call me.
No problem. I will tell her.
Babe.
Madam, make her open gate.
All
right.
Wait, you said you're running late now.
Yeah. I'm going.
Take care, baby.
Yeah, I will. Bye.
Wow. Shaggy, when you lock the gate, come. Okay.
What's going on? What up? Here. What up? Daddy.
Lizzie. You're close by? Oh yeah, now hurry. No, she's gone. Yeah. Okay, all right. Shaggy! Why you want to break my door?
I no break her, I just put her spawn at the door.
What did they do since?
I dey open gate for madam. I say, be now wetin I dey do outside.
Just buy me CD.
Which film?
What do you mean by which film?
You say make I buy you CD now, so I don't know where I go know. You see action, you see horror, you see kinika, you go say. And oga, by this time, people know they watch CD again. I will go dey rent film. Oga, just open Netflix or open YouTube, you go see any film where you watch for there.
Hello? You're at the gate?
My rent is CD.
Okay, the gate man will open for you. All right. Please, Shaggy, open the gate for my visitor and buy me condoms. Okay? And hurry.
Oga, so now condom na you wan buy, na you dey say see the way you dey code. Maybe na me and you dey your mouth to mouth, wey go just tell me.
Ma fe jọ pa mi, hurry jọ.
No problem. Which size? Yeah! I don't know which size. I don't go buy small one. I don't know whether na small one you carry. What? Oga, it's all big or small, so that I won't buy the wrong one that you won't be able to use.
Shaggy, orí ẹ ti dàrú.
Yeah! Who be that now? Now no get gate for house.
I'm here to see your boss.
You can't see my boss. BRT boss abi coastal boss.
Your oga.
My oga. Which of your oga? Which of your oga? The husband of abi the wife?
I'm here to see Paul.
Oga Paul. Now because now why you can't dey shout?
See, the sun is too much. I'm standing here.
And if the sun is too much, you come. Why? And if the sun is too much, you come.
What is wrong with this guy?
Shaggy.
Sir?
Kò sí pàtí mi ò ní sàkẹ́. What's it? Aláàrin ìjọ.
Oh, okay, I don't know say na she now. Now you with the protector. Sorry, sir.
So sorry. I'm so sorry.
No be your fault, sir. Get man push me. Hey, God, why men be like this? Eh? You get girlfriend wey dey take care of you, dey cook from Monday till Sunday. You see they shit on am. No wahala now. No wahala. Said, Oche, yay! Ebika, na go see problem today.
long I've been standing at the gate.
Babe, I'm so sorry. He's a lunatic.
This one was just beating my makeup.
So sorry, baby.
I think you should sack him.
I will. Wallahi, I will sack him. Eh? Come here. I love you so much.
I miss you.
Look at you.
Where does our... Sorry, sir. Okay, you don't tell me say your sister dey come before don't prepare amala or something. What does this? Ask Mopsy.
Shaggy, where is what I sent you?
I'll still go and buy it. I just want to know the one you send me. Say it should have oil.
What?
You know there's always oil there, but you want the one that the oil is.
Shaggy, get out.
You're going to lose your job.
Just get out.
My bad. I take full responsibility. I just want.
Shaggy, get. Oh my God.
No problem.
My God.
How do you cope with him?
I don't even know. He's a lunatic. He's such a. I'm so sorry.
I'm actually so hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
Listen, you can. What do you want? You can have this.
I want you.
Okay.
But first, I need food.
Okay.
You? 30 minutes, we're not done. No. We're still on it.
Oh my God.
Baby, oh my goodness. Oh, thank God you saved. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing back?
Shaggy sent me a message that the house is on fire.
Is Shaggy stupid? Which foolish house
No,
is on fire?
let me go. Baby, no.
Look, there's no fire anywhere.
Are you sure there's no...
Shaggy's stupid. Shaggy's stupid. Where is he? I don't understand. Shaggy.
Baby, I can't find the knife.
Who's she?
Shaggy's sister now. You don't know her? That's Shaggy's sister.
Yes, I'm Shaggy's sister. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Where's Shaggy?
That's what I'm saying, because I don't understand why he's not at the gate. He's not at the gate.
He's not at the gate. The gate was wide ajar.
No, he should be at the gate now. Because that's why.
Yeah. Madam, they cancel your flight.
I don't understand. You sent me a message that the house is on fire. Where is the fire?
No, it's not you. It's house on fire. When is the mountain on fire?
What do you mean you didn't send me message? Shaggy, is this not you? You sent me this message.
It's not me.
What? Who's this?
Okay. My bad, madam. It's my fault. My bad. I take full responsibility. It's me that forget to tell you what happened to my phone. My phone.
Yes.
He fall inside where. So he had the malfunction.
What?
You understand? He just send different message to people. In fact, this morning he send message to police that they should come and carry your guy. That our guy is a boy. No, he already worked it out. I've said to them they will not come and carry you. So it's my bad.
Okay, you didn't tell me that your sister was coming.
Whose sister?
Yes. Is she not your sister?
Sister. Okay, waiting to your eyes now. Wait, wait happen. Auntie, please help me blow your eyes. Maybe something enter your eyes. Auntie, I know get sister. I know get sister. 3 bouncing baby boys. That's what my mother born. So this one be like my person, be like my sister. Oh, you don't dey go. No problem. If you don't go straight for that junction, you go see Okada.
Oh my God.
See that Marua.
Baby, it's not what it's not. I swear, I can explain. No, baby, come, baby, I'm serious. I'm so sorry, baby. Listen.
Sorry, Mao.
First time I met her, I actually thought she was Shaggy's sister.
Sorry. Sorry to break your organ so that I go quick go back to gate. The condom wey say make I go buy. I just one time say e dey too expensive, so I no buy for there. I go Ajah later.
Shaggy.
Hey, Oga, me I no well o, I go knock you. Madam say dey see am. Hey, Oga, I go bite you. I no well o. Madam, you no go say.
Shaggy.
Now wetin you wan do? Okay, make we spoil everything. Madam, say no say yesterday. Oga, you bring landlady enter this house. 5 hours, now you landlady spend inside this house.
What?
Oga, like,
No.
Landlady too.
Rent.
Ah!
Because
Rent for 5 hours.
that they rent. You dey rent landlady inside here. You dey talk about rent, Oga, rent for 5 hours. You dey give landlady rent. You dey give her rent, abi? Oga, excuse you. Yeah, Timo, Oga, don't give.
Say 5 hours.
Nothing like again! I got me up!
Baby, listen, I'm so sorry. I can explain, and I promise you that we can actually.
Yeah! Now get a slap like that. Ah! Shaggy, you're a fucking dead soup. Oga, please now, Oga, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, my bad. Oga, I don't beg you. Oga, take full responsibility. Oga, no problem. We move.
Shaggi